Hi everyone, I'm George and welcome back to the Anime Grove. Today it's time for That Time I Got Reincarnated As A Slime Season 2 Episodes 7 and 8 reaction. During last episode things went so south, like Rimuru got attacked by Hinata, I think was her name, or I think it was confirmed, but I'm pretty sure it was Hinata. I wasn't sure about all this stuff with the hero and Hinata and all that, so I went back and checked it, so I'm up to speed now. Now, also, I learned, going back, that Leon is fallen from grace, just like the tiny demon lord that used to be a fairy queen. No, a queen of spirits, sorry. And now, Rimuru has to hurry up and leave the barrier that he's trapped in, because our monsters in our town are having so much trouble back there, because they've been, like, ransacked. They got attacked because some plants got in there and started causing a commotion, so it would be justified that the army attacked, defending their citizens. Pretty messed up. Rimuru has to hurry up like crazy. Let's just get into it. This isn't a perfect substitute, so grab your little copy and watch it along with me. This is Crunchyroll. Did you know that only like 25% of you are actually subscribed to the channel? Did you know we're actually about to hit the 250 subscribers? All of you subscribed at once, we'll be right there at the 1000 subscriber mark for the monetization for the channel. So what are you waiting for? And plus, the more people are here, the more traction the channel will gain and the faster will grow. So you know it, leave a like, comment and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Oh right, the 7-hit attack. I had forgotten. This I had forgotten. The hypest part of the episode. What's going to happen? If this goes wrong, he dies. Straight up. Wait. Was he able to somehow dodge it or absorb it by becoming... What the hell is this? What the hell, this is so cool. Is this like a trump card he was holding, or is he not conscious right now? What kind of chimera is this? What the hell, this is crazy. Or there's more than one in there, maybe, and that's why you can't just kill it with 7? Crap, the sound design is so good. Like, sounds so painful for him. Can he, like, change sizes? Looks like he could. Like, he seemed to become... Oh, that's so... Oh, that's awesome, dude. Like, he seemed to become smaller in order to be more agile at landing the attack. But maybe I'm tripping. But the spirit magic is crazy, I love it. Oh crap! The show going this crazy on sound effects and everything. He got obliterated. There's nothing left. What the hell, did we just lose our main character? Is it over for the show? Wait. Oh, did he like, peace out and leave like a shell of him fighting for him, like to be obliterated, like an empty husk? Ranga must be so worried right now. Yeah, this was so unexpected, like such a high level fight all of a sudden. Oh, at that point. She's crazy though. Her strength is on another level. The sounds that Rank is making are so funny though. Like, he's such a good boy. Yeah, so it's like completely destroyed. Who messed him up this badly? So maybe Rimuru can actually work in here if it's wicked? But it's still so complex, like, they must be such experts in the use of barriers. Shit, the blood around, people must have died, man. Like, there's no way everyone's fine. Only hurt, there's no way. I hope my boy Rigurd is fine. Like, he's a Chad, he has to be fine, but... Imagine they took him from us. Or Gopta, or Gopso. But I was about to say it's making me nervous not seeing anyone we know. But at least we see Rigurd. Where are Shion and Shuna and Gopso, Gopta? They seem really serious though. Have they been officially conquered or something? What is it? Benimaru? Wait, is my boy here? Why are they... What's going on? Why is Benimaru fighting Crucius? Are they trying to keep them from taking the barrier out? Oh wait! He can transform? That's so cool! He just... I was about to say he got so many points on my book, but Benimaru is so strong. And so mad right now. Wait, why are they... Is anyone actually dead? Like, they're making me think that, but there's no way this show would kill anyone from the village, right? From Tempest. I feel so conflicted because I want to defend her too, but who died, man? Just tell me already. Honestly, dude, starting to creep me out. All that blood? Man. Who sees all this blood? Who is it, man? There's children and everything. This is Rimuru's first failure as a leader. This is such a rough situation for everyone. For Rimuru, because it's his fault that they accepted humans, and for everyone who believed in Rimuru, and I mean, it's not his fault, but they got massacred, you know? And how were Shion and Shuna? Did we see them here? I didn't realize. No, we didn't. And the Gopta and the Gopso? Wait, where's Hakuro? Now that I think about it. These damn radicals, man. They sicken me to no end, honestly. Episode 8 reaction. Go, 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 go. Oh, he took her heart. Like... in One Piece. Not going to say anything else. What will Rimuru do? Look at his face. Like, it's so tough because people died because of her. Oh! Well, That's actually really mature, or at least not rushed. Something I'm proud of Rimuru. Really? Wait. What does that mean? Caused by skills of a special nature. What does that even mean? Like, from outer space? Like, alien shit? That's crazy. Nah, no way, right? What does that mean then? Like, special magic? Wait, would you like to go back to sleep? He was way too disrespectful. I'm glad to see they're back to their old selves. Why? Is she really hurt or something? What is it? Why is everyone so secretive? Wait, there's no way, I thought we were clear. Once they showed us all the bodies. It can't actually be. Nah, dude. Gobso too? What the hell, dude? That's last thing we saw, right? My fucking god, these humans from Falmouth? And Gobso was protecting her because he liked her. And they were laughing. Such pieces of garbage, man. Those colors were so beautiful, but did he absorb them? Wait, there's gotta be a way, dude. Like, there's always a way to revive them, right? You can do this to me. Like, I know I messed up with Gobso a lot, but really? And Shion, like, she's a main character, dude. Wait, is he crying? Like, did he wait to do it until he had the mask? Oh no, he's not crying. But all of them around you are monsters too, and they have hearts, so it's not about having the heart of a monster or a human. Oh, they came? Is that the barrier in Tempest? What is it? It's like what happened when Shizu died. Wait, something? Please, if they're stopping him before eating the bodies? Something? Really? Yo, let's go! Nice! I got positive goosebumps. Like, nice. I was so scared, honestly. There's a way. I'm not saying they will revive, but there's a way. We're not done here. Woo. And it's fine, Rimuru. Like, those are perfectly understandable feelings. Yeah, please. Like, I'm so hyped now. Spirits, maybe? She's an elf? Burn the Witch by Titeku. Okay, I don't know how that union would come to be, but made himself a double in the form of a baby. A double of himself in the form of a baby dragon. That's cute. So I had to go back to check if I had messed up or missed anything. The king is her father, right? The dragon. Because otherwise I don't really get what king they mean. And she destroyed her dragon father with her dragon powers, right? Tens of thousands of people died. Oh wait, that's Chibi Demon Lord, whose name I don't know. This one, the one who fell from grace. The queen, the ex-queen of spirits. And who is this? Do we know him? Could this be maybe one of the other demon lords? Maybe Clayman? Or I don't know. Or maybe this is Leon when they both fell from grace? Oh wait! Isn't that Mirim? Oh shit! Oh, didn't she do like some like? All I remember was when she massacred Charybdis. Didn't she use like dragon's name attack? I mean, the attack had dragon in the name. I'm pretty sure. Or am I tripping? Damn, that's awful. The Chaos Dragon. Yeah, it is Mirim. Look at her. Yeah, I was about to say, look at her clothes, but you can see her clearly there. But yeah, look at her. And that's the story of Mirim. And so, does she mean Rimuru should become a demon lord? Isn't that a reach? Oh wait, wait. That's 5,000 IQ? What the hell? Pi! It's 5%. Oh, he even said it. Let's fucking go. Demon Lord time, baby. But she trusts him, right? Okay. We keep having new and new connections, dude. Every time. So all of a sudden, literally the first people we met on our adventure when we left Beldora's cave on episode 1 or 2, who are these people, are actually also really huge connections that we made. Although I have to be honest, as much as I want them to revive Shion and Gobso, full disclosure, it would be much better if they didn't, because that would have much more impact, a way bigger impact. My fucking god, and it would really hurt. So I'm honestly hoping that it still fails because it's about a 3% chance that they make it. But man, like, I'm actually so glad that they are probably going to be able to save them. I'm actually assuming that they're going to get saved because that's how anime goes, but man, it's never been so scary to be possibly wrong. Wait. He has to absorb 10,000 human souls in order to do so? How would he do that if it's not by... Okay, I was thinking that it would be like too much to go and basically conquer Falmouth in order to get the souls, but that's one thing, and a different thing is defending yourself from the army that's coming, conveniently with a size enough to do it twice over. Awesome. They're so fast. Oh crap. He straight up did it. What was that for? Or maybe... Wait. What is this? Oh, maybe it's in order to fool... Clayman? Does that mean what I think it means? Gracious lost! Anything for you, man. What? Ah, sure, man. Gotcha. What the hell? Reasonable request. Including their king and officers, top officers. So, straight up, you're going to kill their king, kill their top officers, plant a new king there by your own decision, impose it, and have him favor you in every trade. Basically, you're planting a... You're conquering them, basically. Okay, I mean, they were the ones looking for business, but that's one thing, and a different thing to punish an entire country because of leaders, some dumb leaders' stupid actions. I thought we were going to deal with it this episode, with resurrecting them. Fuck. So I still don't know if we're going to get to see them again or not, and that sucks. And what if one of them revives and the other one doesn't? What the hell? I feel so... I'm sorry, I just spit all over. I feel so conflicted right now. Like, these two episodes, Despair and Hope, they fit so well the titles, but honestly, showing me the people that died, well, the people that died, no, only Gobso and Shion, but showing me both of them dead on the episode called Hope is really dark, considering the previous one was called Despair. You made me think that was it, and then you stabbed me in the heart. So, what the hell? Such a good season. I'm loving it. We spent an entire season building it up and building all of our connections, and now we're just getting into the matter, into the meat and potatoes, as you call it, as you could call it. So thank you so much for visiting my channel and for staying to the end of the video, and I hope to see you all on the next episode. So peace out.